Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect PlayStation 5 to Roku. Let's go. Connect the PlayStation 5 to your Roku TV via HDMI. Open Settings. TV inputs. Choose your PlayStation 5 HDMI input. After that, your PlayStation 5 input will be added to the home screen. To start playing PlayStation 5, switch to your PlayStation 5 HDMI input on the home screen. That's it. Now you know how to connect PlayStation 5 to Roku. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.